Today I'm at the Durban Botanical Garden, and this botanical garden is actually the oldest in Africa and was established in 1846, I believe. And here's a little terrapin getting some rays. There's a heron in the distance, and there's also a bishop somewhere here getting some building material. They're actually in between these lilies. Very difficult to see, but it's sitting over there somewhere on a leaf. You'll see the orange red coming through. There's some ducks, another heron flying up at the top. So this is the little guy, the southern red bishop. So this is just a little view of the dam here at Botanical Gardens. Beautiful, serene. It is now October. Durban Botanical Gardens is in KwaZulu-Natal on the east coast, and obviously on the Indian Ocean. So whenever you hear, pop in. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.